Can you permanently delete a product listing on Etsy? The short answer is not really, at least not from Etsy's systems entirely. While you can remove a listing from your shop, Etsy retains the data for compliance, fraud prevention, and legal reasons. However, let's clarify what unpublishing and deleting mean for you as a seller. Unpublishing a listing simply hides it from buyers. It disappears from your shop and search results, but remains in your account under inactive or draft. You can republish it anytime without losing any data. Deleting a listing removes it from your shop and your view in Etsy's database. It won't show up in searches or your shop, and you can't restore it. But be aware, Etsy keeps metadata like titles, descriptions, and images for up to 7 years for tax, legal, or policy enforcement purposes, according to their updated 2024 data retention policy. So, what does this mean for you? If you want to temporarily remove a listing, such as a seasonal item, unpublishing is the way to go. It's reversible and doesn't cost you anything. If you truly want to remove a listing and free up a listing slot, you can delete it. Just remember you won't be able to recover it. Before deleting, consider these best practices. Back up your listing data using third-party tools to avoid losing valuable information. Unpublish listings if you might want to use them again later, especially for seasonal items. Be mindful of Etsy's policies. Frequent deletions can sometimes flag your account for review. As Etsy moves towards sustainability, consider repurposing or updating listings instead of deleting them. And finally, stay informed about Etsy's evolving data privacy policies to manage your listings effectively.